where patient is not satisfied with the treatment are going to police station. The first remedy every people feels that police is there to protect, and they rush. And then we need to know how we can protect ourselves. Let me give you a few examples before I start with IPC. I got a call from anesthetic last week. She told me, sir, during this Ganpati, since there was lots of chows, lots of absentees in a hospital, today when I was taking a stock, I was utter surprised that injection Fortwin and other muscle relaxant anesthetic agent is not in cupboard. When I inquired, she said, I have already logged it. I said, when it was in lock, how people got access to that? In that scenario, she said it was another key was there in hospital with a senior sister, but I don't know. I inquired with every single person, but no one is ready to take the responsibility of the same or what to do. Now let me ask you, do you think that if at all this injection is misused, then this doctor is going to be responsible or not? You can put in chat box. I don't mind. Answer is yes. This injection can be used for suicide purpose. This injection can be used as a drug for both. The combination can be used also for the murder. Batch numbers are always there on a medicine. Instrument of crime. And if at all future it has been misused for doing some crime, it can be traced to the hospital and to the doctor. We need to protect ourselves, defend ourselves. Only thing I shared with this doctor that without fearing a law, without fearing a police, please intimate to the police. There could be possibilities that your staff may get arrested during investigation, but you need to be bold to protect yourself. That later can definitely help you. Otherwise, you'll be in trouble. Why I shared such a case? Because this is the rarest to rare case which happens. The commonest thing what we have seen in our medical practice that the mob, the people, the anti-social activists compelled to write something on a paper, which may be right, which may be wrong, many of the time, and then future they file a complaint. I have got a very recently a case where post-COVID infected patient with written abortion got admitted to gynecologist. Treatment was properly done by my doctor. Bleeding got stopped by evening. Everything was fine. But somewhere some nurse, they said nurse or some people have given it with a result to her, maybe confused with other patient dose or whatever, one tablet. Leaded to miscarriage and followed by abortion. Unaware of the future and the law, probably in view of pushing games that it is not my mistake, it was disclosed to the patient. It was right or wrong was not known to anyone because it is hear and say. But patient relative has compelled doctor to write that in consent form also while giving a consent for abortion, followed by discharge card also. And today they filed a case against the doctor in medical council. Future definitely going to go to the police station and also in consumer court. Such a scenario definitely happen in a practice, and we need to encounter such a scenario. It's not that we can't. we can, if you are in right hand. Even if at all mob has pressurized you to write something on a paper, with the threat of life, you have done that act. You have got all the remedies. You got all the remedies to opt for. And you can immediately go to the police station to file a complaint so that that later can help you in the future. Criminal liabilities are very, very important liability. Very recently, I've got a case